This product video was made completely by an AI.
Zebronics Transformer M USB Mouse. Introducing the Zebronics Transformer M, the ultimate gaming mouse. Experience vibrant gaming with 7-color breathing LED lights. Enjoy comfort with its ergonomic design for long sessions. Plug and play on any surface, no software needed. Switch DPI easily with dedicated buttons for precision control. Rated 4.2 stars. Order today for...
As you saw, the video is really good and you can do it too within few minutes. So, without wasting any time, let's see how to make videos like this for free using AI. We will be using an AI tool. You can use the link given in this video's description to open it. After opening, you can create an account or just log in into your existing account. After you log in, this is the page that you will be able to see. If you cannot see this page, then make sure that you are on the home tab here. You can see that we can make various different types of videos using this AI tool, and there are a lot of other features as well. We want to make a product video, so I'll click here on product. First, we will need to enter the URL of the product that we want to make a video about. Also, Flicky currently supports only Amazon and Airbnb, so you can take URLs only from these two websites and you can select the duration of your video from here. I will set it to 30 seconds. I have found a random amazing product for the purpose of this demonstration. I will copy the URL and paste it here. Click on next. Here you can select a few features for your videos. First is aspect ratio. We have 3 options. I will select the default portrait. Then you can select the language. You can see that we have many languages available. Let's keep it English. Here you can select the dialect of the voiceover. Again, we have multiple options. You can select any that you want. I will keep United States. Now there are 2 more options for customizations. Templates and brand kits, but they are available in the paid version, and as we are making this video using the free version, we cannot make any customizations here. Click now on submit and this will start making our video. So what this AI does is, it collects the images and data available about the specific product. It then makes a script, adds the voiceover, images and captions and completes the video. This step will take some time, so let us skip to the part where our video is ready.
A few moments later.
You can see that our video is ready here. We can make some changes if we want to, but before doing that, let us take a look at our video.
Zebronics Transformer M USB Mouse. Introducing the Zebronics Transformer M, the ultimate gaming mouse. Experience vibrant gaming with 7-color breathing LED lights. Enjoy comfort with its ergonomic design for long sessions. Plug and play on any surface, no software needed. Switch DPI easily with dedicated buttons for precision control. Rated 4.2 stars. Order today.
As you saw, the video is really good and can be used to promote products on different social media platforms. Now, let us see how to make changes to this video. First, you can see the name of the background music added to our video. You can click here and change the background music to any of these. Click here on My and you will be able to upload your own music and also generate sound effects using AI by providing suitable prompts. You can click here on Auto Pick and the AI will randomly change the music. Click here on add layer and you will get the options to add layers like background music, media, effects, shape, text and watermark. Here watermark means that you can add your own brand name as a watermark to your video and you can add any of these other layers that you want. If we scroll here, you can see that our video is divided into different scenes. You can edit each scene individually. Click on the voice and you can see that we have many voices to choose from. You can listen to each one of them and use the one that you like. On the top, we also have the option of voice cloning, which means you can provide your own voice sample, clone it and then use it in your videos. Here, you can filter the voices based on language, dialect, gender and style. If you find any mistakes in the script or want to add something, you can click on it and make the changes. Click here on media and you will be able to change the image. You can also add videos, stickers, icons, etc. You can also upload your own images or generate them using AI. If you want to add a completely new clip into this video after a specific scene, click on add new scene and then you can add images, script, voiceover and the new clip will be added to our main video wherever we want. On the right hand side, we have even more options to make changes to our video. You can explore them on your own. Click here on settings and you will be able to reduce or increase the gap between the scenes, change the dimension of the video and also change the background color of the scenes. These are all the various features available to us in the free version. Now we will see how to download our video, and if you want to use the paid plan, I have a coupon code that will provide you with some extra discount on these plans. Click here on download, select the resolution and format of the video that you want, click on start export, click start and it will take some time to prepare our video. After the video is ready, you can check a preview here. If you are satisfied with it, click download, select a location on your device and click save. You can see that our video has been successfully downloaded. With the free version of this tool, you can make videos up to 5 minutes in length, which is almost equal to 10 product videos of 30 seconds each. But if you want to make more videos, click here on upgrade. We have two different pricing plans. You can compare their features and select any one. If you pay yearly, you will get some extra discount. But if you want to pay monthly, you can still get some discount. Select any plan and click subscribe now. You will be redirected to the payment page. Here, click on the option to add promotion code and type Flicky AI10. Click apply and you can see that we have received a 10% discount. After receiving this discount, you can enter the remaining details on the right and complete the payment. If you want to know about the idea to video feature of Flicky AI or about an amazing AI tool to make short form videos, then check these videos right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.